Here are the eBay Racing stainless steel headers for the LA engines, the Dodge and Chrysler 318 and 360. I say eBay Racing just because anytime I buy some cheap parts from eBay, someone asks where I got them, I say eBay Racing. And yes, these are made in China. But for $200, a set of stainless steel headers, I thought, what the heck, let's give them a shot. This was when I first got the truck. I didn't even know if I was going to stay with the 318, but I wanted it to look and sound the part. So I said, well, we'll give them a shot. You know, I didn't want to blow the budget right off the bat on a set of $600 to $800 stainless steel headers. Actually, out of the box, these look pretty good to me. They are polished to a mirror finish. They have a nice thick stainless flange. The welds look pretty good. I'm no fabrication expert, but I think they look all right. I purchased these from the eBay seller HDG Performance, and they worked with me every step of the way. Someone has even taken the time to clean up any weld splatter from the inside of the tubes at the flange. Now here at the collector, you don't have the reverse cone technology like you do with Cooks or American Racing or the more expensive brands, but for $200, I'm not going to complain. And here's the other header. This is the driver's side, and it looks just as good.
Right now, it's far forward, and it's against the frame down here. It's also against the oil pan and the transmission thing.
Okay, hold on a second. So we need to get on this flange needs to get on this stud right here. But as you can see, we will not go any further. Are you pulling on it?
Can you send the video on the eBay thing?
I can send it to them so that you can see it is hitting the frame pretty good right there. And we need to go forwards about an inch to get up to the stud. And at the back, it needs to go up and we're hitting against the transmission linkage.
But it's no way it's going to get, well, I mean, if it's on the back stud, it won't even go up as high as it did.
Yeah, we're on the back stud. We cannot get it.
I get the frame down here now. You cannot rotate it up because it's against the frame down here.
I'm not seeing any way that this will work. Okay, long story short, these did not fit the D100 truck. We've came to the conclusion after some studying of other brands that these are designed to fit cars, not the trucks. I believe if you had a Dart, a Duster, or something like that, that these would work for you because they would physically bolt to a 318 or 360, but they just will not fit the truck. You can see that lower one, the driver's side, I think it's designed to clear like the steering box on a car or something, but they unfortunately did not work out for the truck. I was disappointed because I wanted stainless steel headers, and these actually looked really good. But now HDG Performance, I can't say enough about them. They had great customer service. I showed them some pictures and a video, and they sent FedEx out to come pick it up the next day. I didn't even have to print a label. So I would not hesitate to buy from them again. But unfortunately, eBay lists these as fitting the Dodge truck. And I believe it is eBay that does that, and the seller just goes by what eBay says. So hopefully eBay will update this, because they do not fit the trucks, or at least not my 88 D100. So be on the lookout for another video where we try a different brand of headers, and hopefully the installation will go much smoother. Thanks again for watching.